Think of your bones as a never-ending construction project. Microscopic segments are constantly being demolished and rebuilt. Over time, the rebuilding slows, but the demolition keeps going. Hi, I'm Dr. Wright here with a tasty tip for strong bones. Grab a package of prunes next time you're at the supermarket. Snacking on a few of these little fiber-rich nuggets daily could keep your bones sturdy and shatterproof. Why? Prunes, also known as dried plums, are filled with compounds called polyphenols that rebalance your bone building cycle. Think of your bones as a never-ending construction project. Microscopic segments are constantly being demolished and rebuilt. Over time, the rebuilding slows, but the demolition keeps going. The result? Weaker bones as you age. Prunes slow down the demolition process to help keep your bones strong. But don't overdo them. Prunes may be full of polyphenols, but like all dried fruit, they're high in sugar. All you need are 3 to 4 a day. And there's another bonus. All the fiber in the prunes will help keep you regular.